Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Cyprus? The average annual gross salary is $14,100, or roughly $1,175 per month. After tax, the average annual net salary is $12,408, or about $1,034 monthly. In Nicosia, the gross salary is higher at $15,792 per year, roughly $1,316 per month. The net salary there is $13,897, or about $1,158 each month. These figures can change with experience, the type of workplace, and shift patterns. Entry-level cleaners may earn less, while experienced cleaners with extra duties may earn more. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.